Ever thought your old Android tablet is a useless junk? What if I told you you could turn it into something amazing today? Whether your old tablet is slow, outdated, or no longer getting signal, there's still a whole lot of value left in it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you smart, practical ways to repurpose your old Android tablet. So, instead of wasting money or adding to e-waste, let's give your old tablet a brand new purpose. Let's get started. You can transform your old tablet into a dedicated home smart hub. Install apps like Google Home, Alexa, or SmartThings and use it to control your lights, fans, security cameras, or even your smart doorbell. Repurpose your tablet as a kitchen companion. Follow recipes, watch cooking tutorials, convert measurements, or use it as a digital cookbook. It's perfect for hands-free cooking. Your old Android tablet can still be an amazing media screen. Download Netflix, YouTube, or even offline movie players. It's great for kids, for traveling, or watching content while relaxing. If you love reading, convert your tablet into an e-reader. It can store thousands of e-books, school notes, PDFs, and more. Have security cameras at home? Turn your tablet into dedicated monitoring screen. Apps like Alfred, IP Cam Viewers, and Nest make it easy. Give your memories life again by using the tablet as a digital photo frame. Just load your favorite images and let it play a slideshow all day. With a simple headset mount, your tablet becomes an in-car entertainment system. Kids can watch movies, play games, or read e-books during long journey. Pair your tab with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and boom, you have a mini workstation. Perfect for writing, browsing, online classes, and note-taking. Older tabs can run tons of fun games. You can download mobile games or even retro games emulators and enjoy a dedicated gaming screen. Lastly, your tab can become a drawing pad or digital sketchbook. It's great for artists, students, and creatives. Bonus tip: you can convert it into a safe, controlled device for kids. Install Learning app and lock down the settings with parental control. And that's it. 10 smart ways to repurpose your old Android tablet. Don't throw it away. Give it a new life instead. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which idea you are going to try. See you on our next video.